Hey there, quick review on this AZUNO tire inflator pressure gauge combo. Overall build quality on this is very nice. Connects easily to your hose. It's got your basic features, inflator here. This is your bleed valve whenever you want to let air out, and then a nice robust gauge up here. The hose is really nice quality. It's got some good flex to it, but it's got a very durable feel. And then your valve stem clamp works really well. Also, you can see that clamping mechanism. It's gonna latch on really nice. Turning the gauge on, just a matter of hitting the on button. You've got 4 different settings. I'm on PSI, that's what I use. And gonna clamp onto this valve stem right here. You'll see I'm registering 6.7 PSI right there. I can inflate this up. And then if I want to bleed some air out, I can do that using this button very easily. Does also have a nice backlit LCD display, gives it a nice level of brightness so that you can read those numbers even in dark places. My only complaint with this particular inflator is that the end does not swivel. That can just make it a little bit more cumbersome to get it clamped in place where you want it. You got to kind of angle your hand because it's not going to rotate. But again, putting some air in, very easy. I want to take this to 30 PSI. Easy to do. If I want to let a little bit of air out, I can do that. And there I'm right where I want to be. Personally, I would always use an inflator and digital gauge combo. It just makes sense to be able to read your measurement while you're right there trying to inflate your tire so that you can see exactly what you've got. So nice product overall, works well. I would recommend it.